Welcome back everybody. Quickly before the video starts, I just wanted to say there's a lot of great information in this video. I suggest watching it to the end. I had a lot of fun making it, and if you guys are enjoying the content, I appreciate all the thumbs up. Yo, welcome back everybody. This video is going to be on risk management, controlling our losses, and why it's so important to control our losses, okay? Because in trading, in Forex, there is no way to avoid losses, okay? We are going to take losses. It is simply part of the game. But it's how we control them losses is what determines our consistency and determines whether we're going to keep staying in the market or we're going to keep blowing our accounts, okay? So today, I wanted to take 10 trades through the backtesting on TradingView. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically you can you pay a monthly fee, obviously, to access this sort of equipment, and you can basically go back in time, go back in history of the data that's been produced by any pair, and you can then play it from that area wherever you've clicked, okay? I've set it up here. I closed my eyes, I went back, and we're starting from here, okay? We're starting on the 20th. And what we're going to do is we're going to take 10 trades, and I'm going to show you the power of risk management and actually controlling your losses. I'm going to show you that you can take losses, but it's how you lose and it's how you win is which determines the consistency and determines your profit, okay? It's all about the risk to reward ratio, right? For today's session, we're going to take a 1-to-2. I believe this is for me, this is the bare minimum of ratios, risk to reward ratios that you should be taking. If you're taking 1-to-1s, of course that's up to you, but your strategy is going to be different. But by taking these 1-to-2s, just for my example here, is that this allows you to basically take a controlled amount of losses, right? It allows you to lose, let's say out of 10 trades we're going to take, it's going to allow me to lose around, I think 4 to 5 to even 6 trades. But as long as I win 40% of the time, okay, I will be in profit or I'll be break even, okay? And this is what I want to demonstrate to you guys, and this is what I want to get through to you lot. So this is where we're starting. Let's get into it, okay? I'm seeing here, what I'm seeing is a nice, I'm seeing a nice key level. Price has been trending down, and just letting you guys know we're on the 5 minutes, okay? This is my preferred time frame. We've been trending down. We've been creating these, what we got lower highs and lower lows. Obviously got a manipulation move here, push back down to this key level here. Price has tried to break up again, but it's failed. Price has finally broken down, and then we've gone back up to the key level. But I'm not just going to enter on this. I want to see, for me, I want to see price come back, okay? I want to see price leave and then come back to show that we really are respecting this level, okay? Okay, we've got a bit strong push down. People might think, I missed out on the trade, but no, be patient. The market can do anything, okay? Let's just wait for a pullback, and there we go, guys, okay? I'm not just going to enter on this because this could be price creating a higher low and pushing up. I want to see another wick rejection, okay? Okay, I see it, right? This is what I'm going to enter on, right? We've seen that price is pushed up. Sorry, price is broken down, pushed up, created a resistance at key level, tried to break back down again, but then we have actually pushed back up and respected this level. I'm going to enter, and again, like I said in the beginning, I'm going to go for our 1-to-2s, okay? I'm going to keep this stop loss fairly safe. When you're having your stop loss, guys, you want your stop loss to be above any price in the market, any wicks in the market, so that you have a safe stop loss. Too many times I see people having their stop loss as tight as they can, trying to beat the market, but it's not about beating the market, it's about being safe and controlling your capital, okay? So let's play this trade out and let's see how it went. Well, let's see how it goes. Nice wick rejection. This is just beautiful, guys. This was a beautiful trade, okay? We can clearly see that we actually formed a nice double top, and we've taken profit within 15 minutes, okay? Could have gone for a 1-to-3. Could have even gone for 3.5, but like I said, we're sticking to our 1-to-2s. So this is our first trade. Let's delete that and let's punch it in here. We have got a +2R on our first trade of the day. Lovely stuff, guys, lovely stuff. Let's keep this over here. Now let's just get rid of this and let the market play out again. Let's see what we can get. I'm going to click through so I can see, but I'll mute it while I'm clicking through. Okay, so here we can see I actually quite like this setup. Even though we are continuing in our bearish downtrend, I do actually like this these rejections around here. Okay, if you guys want to know how I trade, I like to trade trends, or I like to trade from supports or from resistance, and also break and retest patterns. Okay, I'm going to take a trade here because I like how price is respecting this key level here for a good a solid 20-25 minutes. We've got nice wick rejections, but what I do want to see is I want to see a continuation candle. I want to see a change of momentum, okay? Because this could simply just be the exhaustion and then break down. I want to see a momentum change. Let me make this a bit bigger. Let me bring back that win. Come back here. Okay, let me see if we can see this momentum candle. Okay, and this is going to be it for me, guys, okay? We can see through price action of the candles that the candles are picking up momentum. If this wasn't to go up, we would see candles start to basically depreciate, but we're seeing momentum. I am going to enter. And again, I do want my stop loss. I'm actually going to put my stop loss at 10. I'm going to put it here. You guys might be screaming at me thinking, no, put it below here, but I see price has respected this, pushed up again. I'm going to say this level here is going to be our last level to come down to. And again, we're going to go for our 1 to 2s. Another thing with risk management is look for your break-evens, guys, okay? When you draw the patterns out, when you draw your, what would you call it, stop loss and take profit chart, you want to basically, from the price that you entered on, get your measuring stick out and draw your one-to-ones, okay? So that when price does get to these levels, when price gets to this level here, we can push our trade into a break-even. This is the way I like to work, guys. Obviously, implement it into your own strategy, but how I like to work is when I see price break this level and close above, I'll move my stop loss to break-even so that we are then running a risk-free trade, okay? So let's run this one out. Okay, price is now closed above my level, and I'm now going to draw this as a break even. Just put it through there, and then let this run out. So now what we're doing, guys, we're eliminating the risk. The idea is that you protect your capital, okay? We're keeping our trades safe, and we're trying to protect our capital at all costs. And now simply, it's risk-free, guys. You've got nothing to worry about. Okay, beautiful. We're seeing some. I was hoping this was going to go the other way, guys, and stop me out, but we have now got another plus 2R. Lovely. So we're now 4R up. Nice. Let's delete this, delete this, delete this, and let's see what the market has to offer for us, okay? The idea of this, guys, is I want to show you that you can take losses, but as long as they're controlled, we can still make consistent profit, okay? Okay, I like this. I like what this is looking like. I believe we are changing structure, okay? We're seeing that price has pushed up. And for me, this is looking like a higher low. We see the momentum candle changing. Basically, here we're just trading the trend. I do want to see a confirmation candle. Got wick rejections, okay. I'm not going to go any more forward. I'm now going to enter this trade because I like how the setup is. If it loses, it loses. If it wins, it wins, guys. We don't know the market when we cannot predict the market. I'm going to go for a stop loss of 5. I'm going to keep this tight. I'm just going to grab a little 1 to 2, guys. It doesn't have to be huge, right? We're gaining our percentage and we're trying to protect our capital, okay? Let's let this run out. Actually, beforehand, remember our 1-to-1 break-even levels. Okay, we got our break-even levels drawn in. Don't have a go at me, it's not really even, but who cares? Let's let it run out. bit of drawdown. Slight bit of drawdown. And we are stopped out, guys, okay? No worries. Add this in. -1. I hope you guys can see how this is planning out, guys. I hope you can see how we've taken one loss. We've only won 2, but we're still up in profit, okay? On to the next trades. I'm going to let this play out for a bit, and I'm going to see where we can go. I can imagine price is now going to shoot up. What time is it? We're looking at late evening, okay. More early evening, should I say. Seems to just be consolidating around here. Let's just let price play out and let's get some better information than just the straight consolidation or range, and we're going literally nowhere. Starting to see structure form. Just couldn't manage to stop it. But you know what, guys? I like the look of this. I like how this is going. I like how it's planning out. We can see that price is now creating structure. We had a slightly higher high, higher low, and then a change in momentum. I may be entering this late. I'm going to put my stop just below here, to be honest with you. We may be entering late, but we can see confirmation of the bullish trend. And we're going to enter with our 1 to 2s. We're going to put in our break-even level. And the idea of this, guys, is you want to plan your trades, okay, beforehand, and then trade your plan. Of course, I'm backtesting. We don't really have much time, but in the live market, you want to prepare your trades, and then you want to trade your plans, okay? So our break-even level will be here. Let's let this one out. And it just caught us out there. Right, another minus 1. Nice. But can you guys start to understand what's going on here, okay? We've only got a 50% win rate, but we are up in profit, okay? And this is the idea of risk management and controlling your losses, okay? Only risking 1% and always trying to make 2 to 3% per trade, okay? I don't really like how this is looking now. I want to let the market play out a bit, so I'll probably edit it and come back to when I see a better structure. Okay, nice. That took a little while, but we finally got there. We've finally made some movements. We're now trading in the Asian session. Not that it matters, but what I'm seeing here is we're now seeing a clear directional bias. We've got strong momentum to the upside. I'm going to look for a retest on this. I want price to drop down slightly low. I want to see price come down to some of these tops here as that recently acted as a resistance. I want to see it become now support. Then I want to see wick rejections in this area. Then I want to see a momentum candle to the upside. So let's see if we can get that. This is a nice indecision doji here. Price is indecisive. And there it is, guys. Okay, this is my entry confirmation. Let's pull up my what would you guys call this? I actually have no idea the name of this. I'm going to keep it tight. Okay, I'm going to go for a 7.5 stop loss. And then I'm going to go for my 1 to 2s. Nice, absolutely beautiful. Let's put in our break-even level. That looks about right, guys, doesn't it? Let's play this out. Lovely stuff here. Okay, straight away, break even. This is a risk-free trade, and this is what we want to look for, guys. If we can get break-even trades, do it. Okay, if you can get a 1-to-1 solid price close above the 1-to-1 level, go to break even. There's no need to risk your capital, and I believe it should take profit. And there we go. Spreads would have taken me out. I hope you guys all agree on that, but this is now a plus 2R. So as you can see, we're 5 trades in, guys, and we are actually up 4R, even though we've only been winning a around what, 40% of the time, 30% of the time. Okay, let's break this, get rid of this, get rid of this. Fresh chart, clean chart. Let's say new day. Let's go. Let's see what we can find. Okay, I do like the look of this, guys. I do like how price is respecting this recent resistance level. As you guys know me, I'm a break and retest trader. I like to trade trends. We can clearly identify higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. If I see a continuation buy, if I see a push in momentum to the upside like we saw here, I will enter this trade. If not, I'm moving on. Still not doing it for me. Seem to be dipping lower. Okay. I think this is it for me, guys. I can see that price is changing momentum. We've got smaller candle, slightly bigger, and this is a tip for you guys. Okay, this is price action, right? We can see that price is creating obviously our uptrending structure, but then also we can see the bearish momentum depreciating in the size of the candles, and then the bullish momentum increasing with the size of the candles. Okay, so I'm going to enter on this, and again, we're just executing, guys. We're just finding our strategy, finding our setups, and we're just simply executing it. Remember having your stop loss below market structure, market key levels. This could drop down, stop me out, but that's part of the game. Okay, I'm going to draw in my my break-even level. Beautiful. Let's let this bad boy play out. Oh, lovely. This is what I mean, guys. When you see your strategy and when you see price action creating these sort of momentum candles, enter, guys. If you, this is what I mean. It's beautiful. This is now break-even, risk-free trade, and we're not sweating. All right, we're not even sweating. Whether we hit take profit is another story, but we could just be a break-even. We just need a little pop to the upside. We should see that. What time is it? 3:50. We should see that once British time starts trading, the Europe time, around 6 AM. We should see a pop to the upside, but if not, no worries. It's a break-even trade. We are not worried about this whatsoever. What's going on? It's not really ideal sitting in a trade for this long, but we know we're break-even. It is risk-free. We're not worried. And there we go. We have the finish here. And we've got a lovely, what have we got? We've got a lovely plus to, how many trades we're down? We've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more trades to go, guys. We're looking good. We're looking good, okay? We're just going to keep letting this play out. I'm going to keep trying to find some nice trades. Okay. Structure does just seem to be trending up. Look at that bullish momentum there. I do want to see price come down. If I'm going to look for a entry, I want to see price exhaust. Okay. Okay, what I'm identifying is I'm seeing that price is failing to break these levels. We also have a level being built around here. Now what I'm going to do simply is, if I'm going to look for some buys, I want to see price break this level, come back, push up. If not, looking for sells, I want to see price break this level, come back, and then continue down, okay? So let's see what this is looking like. We're breaking. Okay, this for me, we're going to go for a sell, okay? I can see that price has broken the level. We're creating wick rejections, and then we've got a strong, not even strong, but we can clearly identify a bearish sentiment. We've got bearish momentum, price action. The candles are not getting any smaller, and we're going to enter on a sell. We may have missed the move, but part of the game. I'm seeing my strategy. I'm seeing a break, wick rejection, retest, momentum to the downside. We're going to go for our 1 to 2s as always. Let's draw in our break-even level, and let's let this trade just play out. completely wiped out there, guys, but no worries. It's what happens, guys. It's part of the game, right? You gotta understand that we're gonna take losses, okay? We're gonna take losses. So what is that? That's our 7th trade. Moving on, and we're not getting angry about this, okay? Because we know that the market can do anything it likes, okay? Some of you guys may be saying, "Oh, no, this is clear buy," but this is how I'm looking at it, okay? Every single person looks at the market structure differently, right? I saw my pattern, I saw my strategy, I entered, the market went the other way. It does not matter, okay? Let's move on. Okay. Price just seems to be consolidating at the moment. If we're failing to break this level again, then I'm going to look, and there we go, that strong pop to the upside. Did we miss it? No, we just simply didn't take the trade, okay? We just simply, I didn't see my pattern, I didn't like what was going on here, so I did not want to enter, okay? Now I'm going to look for a retest, or I want to look for an exhaustion phase, and then I'm going to look to find some entries within the finish of the exhaust. Okay, this is going to be a risky trade, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to enter. It may have left without us. I'm going to go for 10. This is tight, but we're going to risk it, alright? We're going to risk it. We're going to see. I'd like to see price pulled down a little bit more, but I can see wick rejection in this area. We got a lot of bullish momentum. Let's just see how this one plays out. We're going to put in our break-even level. If we can get a break-even trade, all good. Strong wick rejections. Okay, absolutely beautiful. We've locked in our break-even. This is now a risk-free trade. Whatever happens, we do not care. What are we looking like, guys? And yeah, we would have got popped out. This is a break even. But do you see what I'm getting at here, guys? We can see that it's how you have your trades, it's how you plan them and how you control your losses, okay? We're trying to protect our account. Think as your capital is, you've got to protect it, right? Why would you keep over leveraging or continuing to risk 5 to 3% of your capital? No, keep 1%, risk 1%, and have a minimum take profit of 2%, guys. And look, we can see here we've taken 3 losses out of 10 trades so far. We're taking 4 losses, right? We've got a 60% win rate, but we are up. We are in profit, okay? So we have got 2 more trades. If we lose these 2, it does not matter because we will still be in profit, okay? Let's break this, and let's continue. Let's see what we got. Let the market play out and try to identify our patterns. Okay, I do like how this is looking. We've got a strong key level here, so we can identify from wick rejections. We then came down again, created wick rejections, but I'm only going to enter if I see price creating a bullish momentum to the upside. So let's see if we do have that. Okay, beautiful. This is it. That's the pattern. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. Doesn't mean we're right or wrong. It just means the probabilities played out in our favor that time. Entry, stop loss below. Some of you guys would say this is a bit tight, but it's still below structure, below these wick rejections here. Let's go for our 1 to 2s as always. I've got a bad feeling about this one, but it is what it is. We see our pattern. We're going to enter. If we can go for a break even, then we will. But it is what it is, guys. We see our patterns and we enter. That's what it's about, okay? What did I say, guys? I had a bad feeling about this one. That is a loss. We're going -1 R on this one. And I believe, so obviously now we can see that this was a lower high, but who cares? It doesn't matter. The market can do what it wants. We were trading with the trend. We were trading within our pattern. That's all we can do, guys. The market is all about probability. So what have we got? We've got one more trade to take. Let's try and go out with a win, alright, guys? Let's see if we can do that. Okay, I see the trade. I see my trade. I like it. Have we missed it? I don't know. But I'm liking these wick rejections here. And also it's corresponding with the level over here. We could be looking at a double top through here. Okay. Where we had wick rejections here, or a manipulation move. Wick rejections, this could be our lower high. Let's enter, okay? This we could have missed it, but it's all part of the game. Going for a 1 to 2, this is quite a big trade. Let's get our break even levels out. Absolutely beautiful. And let's just let the last trade play out. If this was the live market here, I would have closed that and break even. Okay, I'm gonna put this down to a break even. If price pops up, it is what it is. It's a break even trade, but we're risk free. Obviously, because we're back testing price, the candles are printed as a whole. I would have been able to see this close below, going for a break even. It is what it is. I got a feeling price is now just gonna pop out, but that's the market, guys. You can't predict it, okay? The market does whatever it likes. And there it is, guys. That was the last trade for us. Break even. So let's just recap this, guys. Okay, we took 10 trades, right? We took 10 trades of a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, okay? And we lost 4, and 2 of them were break even, okay? So we're down 4%. But then we're up break even with these. So we're up 4% out of 10 trades, okay? And we only won 1, 2, 3, 4. We won 40% of the time, okay? We were correct 40% of the time, or not even correct. The probabilities played out in our favor 40% of the time. But with correct risk management, we were able to control the losses, minimize the loss, and control the risk, okay? And this is what I'm trying to get out with this video, is that we can actually take these losses, okay? It's about risk management, and by having these 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s, okay, we can control our losses, right? Like I said in my older videos before, if you've got a $1,000 account, a £1,000 account, you should only be risking 1%, and that is around $10, £10, okay? That's all you should be risking, right? As a new trader as well. Obviously, we see these bigger traders, they risk 5 to 4% to 6%, but they can do that, okay? They know what they're doing, right? As beginner traders, we need to understand that we need to only risk 1% and make sure we've always got a higher risk to reward ratio of a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, okay, guys? Because this allows us, as you've just seen it here, a live example, we have seen that we were only right 40% of the time. But because of our risk management and controlling our losses, we have turned out in profit, okay? And this is a perfect example. Guys, I want you to try this, backtest yourself, find the patterns that you like, and trade and practice, guys. It's all about practice and getting familiar with the market. But I really enjoyed making this video. It's a lot of fun doing this. It's a good way to practice, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up. If you want to have any video suggestions, leave a comment, DM me on Instagram. But I'll see you guys in the next one.